Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets from A to Z in both capital letters and small letters. So without much ado, let's get started. So here first I'll take pink color and write the first line in capital letters. Okay? A. This is capital letter A. A for ant. A for ant. B. Capital letter B. B for ball. B for ball. C. Capital letter C. C for cat. C for cat. D. Capital letter D. D for duck. D for duck. E. Capital letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next I'll take dark blue color and write the second line. F. Capital letter F. F for fish. F for fish. G. Capital letter G. G for gate. G for gate. H. Capital letter H. H for horse. H for horse. I. Capital letter I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. Capital letter J. J for jacket. J for jacket. K. Capital letter K. K for king. K for king. Next, I'll choose dark green color and write the third line after K. L. Capital letter L. L for lion. L for lion. M. Capital letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. Capital letter N. N for nose. N for nose. O. Capital letter O. O for orange. O for orange. P. Capital letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Next I'll take red color and write after P and the fourth line. Okay. So after P it's Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Capital letter Q. Q for queen. R. Capital letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. Capital letter S. S for sun. S for sun. T. Capital letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. Capital letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next I'll take blue color and write the last line. Okay. After U. So after U it is V. Capital letter V. V for van. V for van. W. Capital letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. Capital letter X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Capital letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Z. Capital letter Z. Z for zebra. So here we have completed our alphabets in capital letters. Now we'll write alphabets in small letters. So for that I'll choose brown color and write the letter A. Small letter A. A for apple. A for apple. B. Small letter B. B for ball. B for ball. C. Small letter C. C for cat. C for cat. D. Small letter D. D for dog. D for dog. E. Small letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Next I'll take light green color and write after E. F. Small letter F. F for fish. F for fish. G. Small letter G. G for gate. G for gate. H. Small letter H. H for house. H for house. I. Small letter I. I for ice cream. J. Small letter J. J for jacket. K. Small letter K. K for kite. Next I'll take yellow color and write after K. So after K it is L. Small letter L. L for lion. M. Small letter M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. Small letter N. N for nose. N for nose. O. Small letter O. O for orange. O for orange. P. Small letter P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Next I'll take purple color and write after P. So after P it is Q. Small letter Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. Small letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S. Small letter S. S for sun. S for sun. T. Small letter T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. Small letter U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. And for the last line I'll take orange color and write after U. So after U it is V. Small letter V. V for van. V for van. W. Small letter W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. Small letter X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Small letter Y. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Z. Small letter Z. Z for xylophone. Z for xylophone. So here we have completed our alphabets in small letters. So that's it for today, kids. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.